Graphical solutions of quadratic equations. Let us see one more problem in this topic. Same like previous. Here we can see the directly general form. So sketch the graph. So previous concept we saw only just a single term, only x square term. So let me take one question. Sketch the graph of the function. Function y is equals to x square plus x minus 12, and find solution also and solve the equation x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. With the graphical notation we can solve this also once. Okay, so this is the line. You can take in vertical or horizontal also. I am taking for easy purpose x, y. So in the place of x we should keep values, and those values if we substitute here, whatever answer you get, that is equal to y. Like we can take. Let's take x is equals to 0. If x is 0, now see in this equation. Y is equal to x square plus x minus 12. X is 0 is 0 square is 0 plus 0 is entire 0. Only minus 12. So y is equals to minus 12. Substitute and simplify. Let's take 1. 1 is substitute. 1 square is 1 plus 1. 2. 2 minus 12 minus 10. Right? Now next if you substitute 2. 2 I am substituting. 2 square is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So let me take some 3, 4. Again negative values also. Okay, minus 1. You can take minus 2, minus 3. Let me take some big numbers. Minus 4, minus 5. Some other values also. So when value is 3, you can substitute. 3 square 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. And if it is 4, 16 plus 4, 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, now if we come to the negative 1, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus 1. Cancel, minus 12 it is. This should not get mistake when you are making this. And if you get minus 4 whole square is 16 minus 4, minus 12. Minus 4, okay, 16 and minus 4, this is plus 12 and minus 12. So 0 I get. And for minus 5, 25 minus 5 is 21 and 8. Okay, so these are the values. So these values along with the x-axis, 1 division, 1 unit I can take, because minimum is minus 5 and maximum is only 4. So I can take 1 unit on x-axis. So let me draw the graph for this. Yeah. Take x-axis and y-axis. So it's x and vertically is the y-axis. Based on the units we need to take here. Maximum is minus 5 to 4 on it along with x-axis. So take 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along with x-axis. Same as you should take this side. So that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. And vertically take 2 units. So plus 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, highest is 8 only. So 10. And minimum is minus 12. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10 and minus 12. So these values, now we can plot the points on the graph. First is 0 comma minus 12. X value 0, point is on y-axis, minus 12 it is. So this point. And next is 1 comma minus 10. 1 comma minus 10 is this. For 2 it's minus 6. And 3, 0. It's on x-axis. And for 4 comma 8. 4 comma 8 is in first quadrant. Now again -1 comma -12 in third quadrant, -4 comma 0 on x-axis, -5 comma 8. -5 comma 8 is again second quadrant. This we can join with one line. So with curve we can easily join. Just you can join like this. All the points with free hand you can join. Just you can take this. So if you join this, now one thing you can notice here. So this equation is y is equals to same x square minus plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Equation of this graph. The solution of this equation x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0 by putting the value of y is equal to 0. So wherever y is 0 here, y is 0 for 3 and for -4. It's touching at 3 and -4. So this graph where it's touching on x-axis, they are the solution. So from this you can write solution set. Is touching the graph on x-axis 3 comma -4. So 3 comma -4 is the solution set. So therefore x is equals to 3 or x is equals to -4 because value of y is 0. So because then it satisfies the condition. So wherever x is 3, the y value is 0. That's why wherever the y is 0, that value is only should take. Or else from the graph directly can observe where this graph line is touching on x-axis. They are the solution for us. Okay, the solutions are points the intersection of this curve y is equals to x square plus x minus 12 with y is equals to 0, that is x-axis. Okay, that is the solutions of -4 comma 3 for this. So like this, any problem is given, just only can make this table clearly, put on the points on the graph, plotting, draw with free hand, then where you will get points are intersecting with x-axis. They are the solutions for this graphical solutions of these quadratic equations.